Hi, I'm Victoria McCready, and I want to welcome you to the BCOM lab. So I'm your lab instructor, and unlike many of your 3-credit classes, and there are a few 3-credit classes in the living learning community, but most 3-credit classes are right here at the Naveen Jindal School of Management, and I'm here in my office right now. So that's where you'll be for your 3-credit class, but the lab itself is entirely online. So just keep that in mind. The lab is online, and you are going to have to go to the lab by going to eLearning. Now, if you have any trouble, because this is a separate course, so when you look in eLearning, look for this course. It's not the same as your BCOM 1300 or 3300 course in eLearning. There will be a different one for the lab, and I'll send you messages about it to your UT Dallas email. But if you do have a question, send that question from your UT Dallas email to blab@utdallas.edu or blab at utdallas.edu. We check that all the time. Multiple people have access to that email inbox, and we'll get back to you and try to help you. All right, so how do you get started? That's the most frequent question we have. Well, you go to eLearning, find our course, and then as you look at the left-hand menu, you're going to see everything you need. So every week's assignments are set up right there. So you'll just keep scrolling down, and as you do one assignment, you'll go on to the next week. So click week 1 and then get started on that week. You'll see me again there. I'll post another video. So that's how you start. It's not going to be too complicated, but I do need you to know the due dates. So each week's work is due that Friday before 1 p.m. So what does that mean? That means that you need to get started well before 1 p.m. on the week's work and take a look at it and ask questions and participate. And we do have a grace period for technical issues. So if you're trying to submit at 12:30, right after noon, you've eaten your lunch and you want to submit your work and you run into a technical problem, we give you a grace period from 1 to 1:59 p.m. So we watch that and see who's having trouble. We expect most people to submit before 1 p.m. and we can see when the submissions come in. And what does that mean? Well, we don't just want you to submit before noon or before 1 p.m. on a Friday. We do expect work to start coming in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes even the week before, because you can work ahead. So know that that's our expectation. All right, thank you. You are Comet, some of the best people in the world, and we're going to have a great semester. It's wonderful to meet you. Reach out and have fun this year. Bye.